So the first thing we want to do is install the sound files that need to be analyzed. Then different kinds of analysis can be selected from here. And all of the parameters for each analysis can be set here. And now the analysis is done. We can check the psychoacoustic analysis. Multiple curves can be superimposed for effective comparison of results. And we see here multi-scalars for curves plotted versus time, multi-spectra for curves plotted versus frequency, and multi-RPM are for curves plotted versus RPM. Moving here, I'm just dragging and dropping all of the curves to this window. All of the data here can be exported to Excel. The percentile values for each analysis is also available. ASP means Auditory Spectrogram. It models the time and frequency resolution of human hearing. It makes the oral sensation visible. So unlike FFT, which we can see here, so the FFT can either have high frequency and low time resolution, or it can have high time and low frequency resolution. The ASP can have good resolution in both time and frequency. Sometimes you want to detect the harmonic components in a song, which can be done by using this Harmonic Cursor. So here we can do this in the FFT. We can also do this in the ASP.